Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to subscribe to SuperFollow on Likee. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Likee application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register guys to Likee if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have in the bottom of the screen, we have the everything about your profile, we have your messages, the plus button where you can go of course input in any content that you want. We have the explore and the for you page at the end. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and, as I told you, subscribe to SuperFollow on Likee. So basically you just need to go and do quite some things. So how to set up SuperFollow. At this stage, only a small group of verified creators can set up SuperFollow subscription, of course. Approved creators can find the application entry on their profile pages or in the home page sidebar. Modernization. Please stay tuned as we gradually open the application for all creators. To apply, you need to click the application entry, set up the subscription price, write a special message for subscribers, submit the application, and their operating staff will provide the audition feedback within 24 hours. And you probably need to publish your content and select the super follower. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, bye guys.